Hey guys, here's an exclusive video from the Noble Motorsport channel, Noble Coding for you. Today I'm going to show you and teach you how to remove the sound system from the glove box. To do this, you'll need to purchase this little key kit. I'm going to provide a photo of the keys and an ad from the free market or elsewhere in the description, or a photo so you can know where to buy it. This way you can remove it if you want to install something or change your sound system or if there's any issue. So let's get started. We need these keys. Down here you'll notice that we have a little hole on each side of the sound system at the bottom. In order for us to remove it, it's quite simple. What are we going to do? We will fit a key on one side and another key. On the other side here, a key was fitted on each side. What are we going to do now? Press it inwards and it will pull out the sound system. Very simple. The sound is coming out. Done. We removed the sound from Audio A3. Quite easy. Just need to loosen the connectors here on the back of the sound system. Got it? They're normal locks. Common locks, okay? I'm not sure, but I don't think there's room here for me to fully remove it. So give me a second to remove the plug so you can take a look. So I don't know if you'll be able to see, but there are 4 plugs. This one plug, a larger one here in the corner, these 2 smaller ones, and this other one here. So to remove the sound system, it's very easy and quick, even for those who want to install CarPlay in the car. As soon as it is removed, you will need to make the electrical connection. Now, I'm not going to teach how to do that in this video, but just remember that we have made a video on how to dismantle the car's central console, how to dismantle the gearbox, how to change just the top leather part, how to dismantle the air conditioning, change from analog to digital, how to dismantle this entire bar here. This can even help you install this button, right? The Drive Select feature will also record how to remove the screen from the complete multimedia center for you guys. Now, this is a type of content that is rare on the internet. Only the Noble channel, Sport Noble Coding, provides it for you. Of course, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel, because only the Noble Motorsport channel creates this type of content for you. To put the screen back, just fit it here in this hole, push it to the end, and that's it. It's stuck and everything is aligned. So guys, if you liked the video, give it a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a like, it helps a lot. Always subscribe to receive all the new information, the new videos here on the Noble Motorsport channel. It's very important to us that you subscribe. Alright folks, take care. I hope you liked it. Goodbye.